Embark on a tech-savvy home upgrade with Amazon's incredible gadgets. Revolutionize your space effortlessly with smart tools and innovative solutions. Elevate your lifestyle with the future of home living at your fingertips. Eliminate unpleasant smells from your pet's litter box using this Japanese invention crafted for areas up to 49 square meters. With a maximum noise level of 37 decibels, it ensures your pet won't be frightened. Additionally, in just 2 to 3 hours, this device reduces bacteria and viruses by an impressive 99%. Get yours for just $349. In the United States, water leaks cause about $13 billion in damages each year. Spending just $30 may not seem like a lot, but that's the cost of the Moen flow sensor. It keeps a constant eye out for leaks and alerts you if it finds one. For extra safety, you can pair the Moen flow sensor with a special system that automatically turns off the water in case of a leak. The Eufy Floodlight E340 camera is a remarkable security device that sets itself apart. It captures a 360-degree horizontal view, can identify and track people up to 15 meters away, and even responds to pets, cats, dogs, and vehicles. In addition to its security features, it doubles as a light. You can conveniently view the footage either via Wi-Fi or by using a micro SD card. Before we dive into the good stuff, hit that share and subscribe button to stay tuned for all the excitement ahead. Wondering how to sell a clothesline? It's simple. Package it in a compact case with a coiling mechanism, similar to a vacuum cleaner cord. This handy clothesline is capable of supporting up to 25 kilograms, stretching out to 4.2 meters. And it even includes 10 clothespins for added convenience. With this user-friendly design, you're ready to go and make laundry time a breeze. As winter sweeps across different regions, let's explore an exceptional heater model. Packed with 800 watts of power, it goes beyond the basics with smart features like timers, overheat protection, and an adjustable thermostat, 15 to 32 degrees. This versatile device offers a range of settings to keep you comfortably warm. What's even better? The price is a steal at just $24, making it an affordable yet advanced solution for your winter heating needs. For about $15 each, you can grab a set of 4 of these lights. Each light comes with over 100 LEDs, powered by a solar panel, and equipped with a motion sensor that reaches up to 11 meters. With 270 degrees illumination, these lights are ideal for homes and outbuildings. On top of that, each light has a lifespan of 30,000 hours, ensuring long-lasting brightness. Remember Tamagotchis? They were cool, but here's a new twist, a holographic pet jellyfish. Keeping the Tamagotchi tradition alive, this jellyfish displays various emotions, like happiness after being fed. It's not just a virtual pet, it also works as a clock, weather station, Bluetooth player, and a nightlight. While the price hasn't been revealed yet, if you're intrigued, you can share your contacts on the Indiegogo campaign page. Enhance your meals daily with fresh greens, priced at $35. Keep in mind that the 4 required C-type batteries are sold separately, created by the company behind Harry's herb pots. These pots offer a unique way to grow plants, either traditionally in the ground or using hydroponics technology. Ideal for microgreens and herbs you can harvest in just 3 or 4 days. Plus, these pots are handy for seedling preparation, each one available at $42. Let's see the perfect vibe using Twinkly Square's decorative lighting. Featuring panels of 64 LEDs each, these panels display captivating pixel art. Setting them up is a breeze with your smartphone thanks to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. They also effortlessly sync with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Grab a set which includes 1 control panel and 5 regular panels, all for just $23. Back in 2015, the US saw unusually frequent rains, 80% more than the norm. Fortunately, there's a perfect fix available in the American market. An attachment for your rain gutter. This system guides 85% of rainwater into storage tanks, filtering out branches, leaves, and debris. The gathered water is great for watering plants. Grab the installation kit. Immerse your space in a futuristic atmosphere with the Dawn Times gate clock, exuding a cool sci-fi vibe inspired by cyberpunk aesthetics. Boasting 5 LCD displays, each 128 pixels squared, this clock seamlessly integrates with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and voice assistants like Amazon Alexa. The screens are versatile, allowing you to showcase anything from dynamic weather forecasts to livestock prices. Elevate your decor and technology game with this sleek timepiece, available at an affordable price of $130. The creators of Do are sure that this innovation is a game changer, surpassing any regular floor fan. They've crafted a technological wonder with loads of features and options, including Wi-Fi, voice control with Alexa and Google support, 120-degree horizontal and 105-degree vertical movement, 6 modes, and 8 speeds. Despite its impressive capabilities, Do produces just 25 decibels of noise, quieter than a hushed conversation. Plus, a timer ensures it turns off if its soothing breeze lulls you to sleep. Get your Do now for $91. Discover Kohler's cutting-edge ceiling-mounted faucet, setting it apart from the competition. This innovative design allows you to hold the faucet for precise water control, directing the flow wherever you need, be it into a pot on the stove or a glass. For seamless operation, consider using a special sensor block, recommended by the manufacturer to effortlessly turn the water on and off, with a 2.1-meter hose included in one version, priced at $1,878. This faucet combines functionality and style to enhance your kitchen experience. Calling all cooking enthusiasts. Get ready for excitement with CIARRA, a compact extractor boasting impressive features packed into its small frame of 3 filters. Simply switch it on within 10 centimeters of your stove and bid farewell to smoke. CIARRA comes with 2 speeds and is available for just $170. Upgrade your cooking experience today. Growing up in a large family, the founder of AlfaBot understands the struggle of keeping a house clean. That's why his company focuses on creating smart cleaning solutions. One standout product is the Smart Glass Cleaner X6 robot, designed to autonomously clean windows, tiles, and floors by choosing the most efficient route. For added safety, it includes a 4-meter safety rope.